well-planned utility space in any family home is really important, and at Walker Farm it's no different. We've actually got the laundry space here that I'm standing in, which is connected directly off a second mudroom entrance. So right behind me over here is the second entrance, and probably the entrance that's used most by the family and the owner, which is this beautiful mudroom space. And it's just a small space which encompasses, you know, hooks for hats, baskets for shoes. It's that point where you dust your shoes off and you come into the home. We've of course got some storage tucked in behind that, and you can see what we've done here on the floor is repeat those beautiful brick tiles from the entryway, and that meets seamlessly with our polished concrete floor. So this is a burnished concrete floor, and it's really soft underfoot, which I love, but it really blends quite seamlessly in terms of being a natural material with that brick tile on the floor. So we're coming through to the laundry space, and it is a compact space, but it is a utility space. It really packs a punch. It's got everything we need. It's got full height storage here for all of your linen. It has pull-out laundry baskets for everybody to throw their dirty clothes in. Of course, lots of cupboard space and a beautiful shelf for storing things, featuring plants and those sorts of things. We've got our Fisher & Paykel appliances here as well, and we've actually brought in a copper sink from ABI to really complement the Brooklyn Copper tapware, which we had custom made. And of course we've got all the features of leather through here as well.